Hi, I'm Miranda from the Shenandoah Valley Discovery Museum, and I will be running a Shake It Up with Shakespeare camp in June. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your own plays, which I'm sure your grown-ups would love to see as soon as you're done. So the first thing that you need when you're making a play is a space to do it in. You can make a play in your backyard, or you can make a play in a pillow fort, or even get your grown-up involved in your play. So now that you've got your playing space and your grown-up, you need to find costumes. You can use anything from sheets to ballet costumes. But more importantly than a place to do a play and your costumes for the play, you need a plot for your play. You need the thing that you're going to be playing. So we're going to start out today with this tub and this Swiffer. Now, what could we play today to show to our grown-ups? You can play Explorers! Land! Ah! You can play Knights! You can play Les Mis. You can play It's a Hard Knock Life. You can play Circus. You can even play Shakespeare. Come to my Shakespeare camp.